Magbangon ka kag ipadayaw ang Iloilo. Ang paghigugma sa aton nga dakpanwa sa kalibutan. Ibakit-bato mo siya, ibayaw ang bandera. Sige halabira, Ilonggo ka. Magululog yun na, tipunon ang pwersa. Itipong ang kausa, Ilonggo ka. Uswag Iloilo, I am Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo.
Sa pihak ng sini nga pandemya, padayon nga mga bangon ang aton ekonomiya, kag kaupod man sini ang pagpanumbalik sang aton turismo. Welcome sa Istorya Iloilo. During the quarantine period, the city was branded as the Wakanda of the Philippines. And in this new normal, another challenge for us is to maintain being one of the best destinations in the Philippines. And speaking of the best, rise and shine like a brightest star in the universe. Kay sini nga adlaw kaupod naton ang isa man nga makabig naton the best, not only in the Philippines, but who knows, in the whole universe. Please welcome our very own queen, the phenomenal woman, Miss Universe Philippines 2020, Miss Rabia Mateo. Rabia, welcome sa Istorya Iloilo.
Thank you for having me here, Sir Romel. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm very much fun and I'm glad that you graced Istorya Iloilo. Sige, Rabia, since you will be representing the Philippines to the international pageant, how can you help promote Iloilo City to the global arena?
Yes, Sir Romel, you know what? I've been talking to Sir Albert Andrada because I'm planning that during my national competition, I want to wear dinagyang with me. I want to be a dinagyang warrior and to show everybody all over the universe the creativity and, you know, the passion of the artists here in our province, in our city. And that's a promise that I made when I won Miss Iloilo. And I used to say that I really want to pledge in bringing Iloilo to the global community.
Yes, and being named as the newest Dinagyang ambassador.
Yeah.
You know, we're very excited to see you bring Dinagyang to, you know, the global spotlight.
I can't wait for every Filipino to experience dinagyang.
Sige. And Rabia, we all know that one of the most affected sectors during the pandemic is the tourism sector. So, yes, as an ambassador, how can you help Iloilo City restore its tourism?
I'd like to believe that as of the moment, we are regaining our strength when it comes to tourism, and I'm very much excited to actually talk with Miss Universe Philippines organization because actually we are planning to hold the next Miss Universe Philippines here in the City of Love. So let's see, I mean, it's gonna be a big help to our city's tourism, and
Yes.
I can't wait for them to experience the City of Love
Yes.
as well.
Probably when all this is over.
Yes.
Right? Sige. Can you also tell us a brief background about your advocacy?
I've been doing my lectures for physical therapy for 3 years already, and I've been so much of an advocate of education because I had this humble beginnings, and through education it transformed my life, and I was able to bring food on my family's plate. I was able to do great things to other people, to my community. That's why I decided to work with Feed Me and I Read You program together with Attorney Joboy Peña Florida and his wife Rhea Peña Florida. So we aim to help these children living in Kalahunan dump site.
Yes.
And I can always see myself in them. I also experienced simple childhood, but whenever I see them, I realize that I had a lot of opportunities for me to experience this success, and I hope that these kids will have the same opportunity. That's why in Feed Me and I Read You program, what we do is that we conduct feeding programs once a week, and then at the same time we have this learning session, this reading session to improve their learning capabilities. And I can't wait to go back to the community because as Miss Universe Philippines, I want to make the system better. And my promise is hopefully we're gonna have feeding programs not just once a week, but every day.
Sige.
That was my goal.
Sige, and with your advocacy, I think it's safe to assume na you believe that education is the only way for greater and bolder opportunities in life.
That's true. Education and at the same time, right mindset.
Rabia, I believe na everyone is excited for your Miss Universe journey. And upon seeing your contenders online, who do you find the strongest among your contenders by far?
Oh, yeah. I've actually watched some of their clips, and I can say that when it comes to communication skills, I love South Africa.
Okay, South Africa.
She's a woman of power and wisdom, and as of the moment, the Miss Universe organization is looking for that woman who can speak not just for herself, but for what is happening around
Yes,
her.
yes.
And I can't wait to meet each and every one of the candidates. Actually, we already have a group in WhatsApp, so we are already communicating with each
Sige,
other.
we're excited for the upcoming pageant. Ano naman ang mensahe mo for your Ilonggo fans?
Sa tanan nga Ilonggo nga nagpalangga gid sa akon, even before I won Miss Universe Philippines, madamo gid nga salamat sa suporta kag kamo gid ang rason kung nga aari ko di subong nga point nga ni. And ubrahon ko gid ang best ko para makahatag liwat ng isa pa nga bugal sa syudad sang paghigugma sa aton nga syudad. Kag palangga ko gid kamo tanan. Please, please, please look after your physical and mental health. Kay mabato kita, mabato ang Iloilo, kay warriors kita.
Sige. Thank you very much, Rabia, for joining us. And in one sentence, can you tell us who Rabia Mateo is?
I am Rabia Mateo, and I am a phenomenal woman with a heartfelt beauty.
Sige. Thank you very much, Rabia,
Thank
for
you.
joining us. Thank you very much,
Thank
Rabia.
you po.
That's from Zarla Antonio Designs.
Kag amoyad to ang isa naman ka episode sang Istorya Iloilo. Indeed, with our Ilonggo spirit, we can stand out in whatever endeavor we take. Madamo nga salamat sa pag-upod sa aton. This is your host. My name is Romel Paborada, kag ini ang Istorya Iloilo.